Here we are today on the farm. We have our Play-Doh, we have our markers and our paper, and we have our Legos. And today it's all about the farm. We're going to make 3 farm animals. One of the Play-Doh, one of the marker, we're going to draw one, and one out of Legos. So let's start today. I think we'll start with the Legos. And we're going to try to make a chicken, right? We're going to make a chicken. We're on the farm. We're going to try to make a chicken. Let's see if we can make a chicken. So, let's see here. So a chicken kind of has a bit of a roundish, biggish body. And I think we'll do maybe something like this. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger. We're gonna make it a little bit of a bigger chicken, I think. Oh yeah, look at this. Yep, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a couple pieces like this, and we're going to give them wings, right? Chicken needs wings, and we'll take some of these. We'll take one of these and one of those. See what I did there? I just took a sort of a yellow piece and made it. We're going to make his body a little bit bigger. Put one on the bottom, maybe. Make it kind of look a little big, and then there's his wings coming out, right? Boom, boom, wing, wing. And then we're gonna give him 2 legs in the back here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be a good looking. This is gonna be a nice chicken right here. I'm gonna take 2 legs. Ooh, wait a minute, it's falling apart. There. Right? So he's standing like this. Now we just have to make his head, his neck and his head. And we'll give him a little bit of a longer neck. And here's his head coming up. We're going to go just like this. Now we're going to give him the big beak, right? The chicken needs a beak. And we'll put another piece like this. Uh-oh, his legs fell off. We can't have that. Chicken needs his legs. See? See where I'm going? Now, I think we just need to put like a little bit of a tail coming off the back. We'll give him a nice chicken head here. Chicken head there, and a tail off the back. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. Do you see it? Wait a minute. Let me show you. Hold on. We're going to give him a little bit more of a body. A little bit more of a substantial body here, and then we'll have the tail come right off the back. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. There's our farm chicken. There's our chicken right there. Long tail. Oh, and he even stands up. Beak in the front, right? Kind of got a round body. 2 wings. There's our chicken. So there's our farm chicken. All right, we're going to put the rest of the Legos away. Bye-bye, Legos. They are done. Now, let's see, moving on. Let's take our Play-Doh now. Put our chicken off to the side. He's over there, chicken. And we're going to take some red because we are going to make a pig. Let's make a pig. Let's make a pig. We're on the farm. We have a chicken. And now we're going to make a pig. So, let's see. We're going to do it all with one piece. We're not going to take bits and pieces and we're going to do it all one piece. So we're going to make sort of just a ball, like a roundish egg sort of thing, right? Pigs sort of have a roundish egg-like body. And we're going to pinch out 4 little stubby legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our egg with 4 stubby legs. We're going to pinch out another bit to give him a little bit of a head there. So here's his head. Right? We're going to give him pig ears. And what's a pig have? Like a snout. Like it kind of looks like a dog snout, but it's flat, right? So there's the flat snout. Here's his legs. Here's his roundish body. There's his 2 ears, right? What else does a pig have? That little, swirly, spirally tail. So we're going to pinch out a really, super thin piece of spaghetti tail. Right? Coming right out the back. And maybe we can try to curve it and spiral it. I don't know how good it's going to work, but there we go. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. See? There we go. Little spiral tail, 4 legs, snout, flat, snouty nose, and 2 ears. So there's our pig. So we have our chicken. Well, the chicken is much bigger than the pig. That's a little disturbing. But we have our chicken and we have our pig. Now, we are going to draw. So we're going to make one out of Play-Doh, make one out of Legos, and we are going to draw something as well. So we'll get our paper and our markers. And I think because we can't make it white, because white on white paper we would never see it, right? But we're going to make a sheep. We're going to make a sheep, and we are going to make it out of blue. So where to begin? You know what a sheep, it kind of looks like a cloud almost, right? So a sheep kind of looks like a cloud. Let's just sort of, we'll do little spirals like this. We'll do little spirals like that. That's all its wool, right? See that? See that? We made like a blue cloud. Well, that's it. That's a sheep, believe it or not. And then we're going to put 4 little legs, right? We'll do another leg here and another leg back here. And then we're going to give it its sort of round. I think they have sort of little ears. We'll make them happy sheep. We'll give them a smiley face. See that? There's the sheep. And I believe sheep have tails. So we're going to put a little, fluffy tail there. But there is our sheep. Do they have bigger ears? Maybe. Maybe they have bigger ears. I'm not sure. They may have more of a snouty nose. But there is our sheep. So we are on the farm today, and we made our farm animals. We drew an awesome sheep. Looks like a cloud with a head and legs and a tail. We made a fabulous pig. Flat nose, 4 legs, little spirally spaghetti tail, 2 ears. So there's our pig, sheep. And here is our awesome, what looks like a robot-ish chicken or some sort of, flying machine. But it's a chicken. It's a chicken, I promise you. So we have our Lego chicken, we have our Play-Doh pig, and we have our beautifully drawn sheep. We were on the farm today. We did everything related to the farm animals today. Chicken, pig, and sheep. Now, don't wait for me. You can get out your Play-Doh, you can get out your markers, you can get out your Legos, and you can make something. Right? It doesn't have to be about the farm. It could be about anything. What's important is just to get out your Play-Doh, your Legos, your markers, your paper, and make something. Be creative and have fun. Okay? Bye-bye.